Find the arc length of y equals x to the 3/2. Let x be between 1 and 4. Find the derivative. That will be y prime equals 3/2 x to the 1/2. The formula to find the arc length is L equal the integral from a to b square root of 1 plus f prime of x squared dx. Our arc length will be the integral from 1 to 4 square root of 1 plus the derivative, which is 3/2 x to the 1/2 squared dx. Simplify. This is the integral of 1 to 4 square root of 1 plus 9/4 x dx. You can also write that as the integral from 1 to 4 of 1 plus 9/4 x to the 1/2 dx. Let's make a u substitution. U will be 1 plus 9/4 x. Du will be 9/4 dx. Solve that equation for dx. That's 4/9 du equal dx. Let's change our endpoints. 1 is an x. Let's change it to a u. U equals 1 plus 9/4 times 1. And that will be 13/4. And then change the 4. That will be 1 plus 9/4 times 4. That will be 10. So my length will equal from 13/4 to 10 of u, because 1 plus 9/4 x is u, to the 1/2. And what is dx? Dx is 4/9. Bring the 4/9 out in front. 4/9 du. So let's integrate. This is 4/9. That will be u to the 3/2. And a 1/3 out front, which is 2/3. And I want to evaluate that between 13/4 and 10. This is 8/27. U to the 3/2. 13/4 lower endpoint, upper endpoint is 10. So that will equal 8/27 times 10 to the 3/2 minus 13/4 to the 3/2. And if you simplify that, that will give you 8/27 square root of 10 cubed minus square root of 13/4 cubed. And if you use your calculator, that will be, well, I could go one more step. Or you could just stop there and use your calculator. That would be 8/27 times 10 square root of 10 minus 13 square root of 13 over 8. And that's approximately 7.634.